Hello PU2 aspirants, so exams are around the corner and I am very sure that over 85% of students are now under a pressure of how to manage the time and how to complete the syllabus, how to score good, right? So what if I tell you that you do not have to study all the 10 chapters in chemistry to get 60 plus out of 70? Are you confused? Let me repeat for you. You do not have to study all the 10 chapters in chemistry to get 60 plus out of 70. Yes, you heard me right. Seems impossible, right? But do not worry. Here I am in this video. I am here with a proven strategy where I will be analyzing all the 3 blueprints that was released by PU2 board, and I'll tell you how smartly and strategically you can just select 6 to 7 chapters and can still get 60 plus out of 70. Okay, so if you are someone who are afraid of chemistry or chemistry troubles you, then do not worry, this video is for you, and this video will tell you how you can score more by studying less. Let's get started. So first of all, the very important thing of today's video is you need to work smart and not hard. We are going to study less but still score high. Okay. Now I will be discussing the blueprint of blueprint 1, 2 and 3 of chemistry that was released by your PU2 board. Okay. So before let us have a small analysis of this one, then I will be telling you the trick. Okay. So now you know in our chemistry paper we have 1 marker questions, 2 marker questions, 3 marker questions, 5 marker questions and 3 marker numerical questions. Okay. Now let us analyze them one by one. The first blueprint 1. Okay. So in blueprint 1, okay, in 1 marker sections it is given like this, that 5 mark will come from physical chemistry. Let me repeat it. In blueprint 1, okay, under 1 marker sections it is given that 5 marks will come from physical chemistry, in which 3 marks will be from solutions, 1 from electrochemistry, 1 from kinetics. Okay, so this is about the physical chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, 2 from D and F block, 2 from coordination. Organic chemistry, 2 from haloalkanes, 3 from alcohols, 2 from aldehydes, 2 from biomolecules and 2 from amines. You can see here, right. So this completes the 20 marks question for 1 marker. Okay. Now coming to 2 marker question in blueprint 1. So I will tell you the structure of this 2 marker question. If you remember, it is like your I can say part B, right. So there will be 5 questions. One second. So just this understanding is very important. Okay. So part B, you will have 5 questions. Okay. 2 mark part B, 5 questions, and you have to attempt any 3 out of 5. Okay. In this first question will be from physical, this one will be from inorganic, this one, these 3 will be from organic. Okay. Organic, the chapters are also fixed. You will from haloalkanes, you will have from alcohols and you will have from biomolecules. Okay. For organic it is fixed, but in case of physical and inorganic, different blueprints is giving you different questions. For example, if you see in blueprint 1, okay, in the first blueprint, this 2 marker question will come from chemical kinetics, and this inorganic question will come from D and F block. Okay. But these 3 questions, as I told, haloalkanes, alcohols and biomolecules, that is same in all the 3 blueprint paper. But now if you see blueprint 2, in blueprint 2 this one question has come from solutions chapter. Okay. So I can say that this first question of 2 marker will be either from solutions chapter or from kinetics chapter. There will be no question from electrochemistry here. Okay. Similarly, if you see that the second inorganic question, according to blueprint 2 it is from coordination chemistry, but according to blueprint 1 it is from D and F block. So again I can say that this one question that you have studied, that inorganic chemistry question will come, it will be either from your D and F block or it can be from coordination. We do not know, anything can happen. Okay. Next, other 3 questions will be sure, that is from haloalkanes, alcohols and your biomolecules chapter. Okay. Similarly, now if you move to 3 marker question, okay, so 3 marker question has a different structure here. The first 3 marker question will be for inorganic. Okay. So here also you will be giving 5 questions, and here also you will be given 5 questions and you have to attempt any 3. right? So this is from inorganic. So here the division is also different. It can be either 2 from DNF block and 3 from coordination compound, as you can see in your yes. So you can see as blueprint 1. In blueprint 1 there is 2 from DNF block, 3 from inorganic, okay, and in blueprint 2 it is 3 from DNF block and 2 from coordination, and in blueprint 3 it is 2 from DNF block and 3 from coordination, right. So I can say that this at least you will get 2 questions from DNF block, 2 questions from coordination, 1 question can be either from DNF block or either from coordination, okay. Now coming to 3 marker next part, that is from physical, right. So if I just see 3 marker physical, so here also the trend is very fixed. You will have 4 questions, okay, you have to answer any 2 out of 4. The 1 will be from solutions, 1 will be from kinetics and 2 will be from electrochemistry, okay. This is fixed in all the blueprint papers, so no doubt here, okay. So this is done with 3 marker questions we have discussed, right. Now coming to the 5 marker question, here the pattern will be from organic chemistry. This is also fixed for 5 marker question. All the 3 blueprint papers have, you will be having from organic chemistry, okay. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, okay. And here you have to attempt 4 out of 6. The first one will be from haloalkanes, second one will be from alcohols, third and fourth will be from aldehydes, fifth will be from your amines and sixth will be from biomolecules, okay. So out of these 6 you have to attempt any 4, clear. So where there is problem, so if I just make one note and explain you once again, just a minute, I want a blank slide, yeah. So now please see the first question 1 to question 2, let me just write down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So just a minute, let me just complete it. 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, then we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, then 41, 42, 43, okay. So now students, you see, okay, here the division is like this 5 questions, okay. This 5 questions will be from physical chemistry, okay. Physical chemistry, the distributions are different, okay. It can be either 3 from solutions, 1 from electrochemistry, 1 from kinetics, or it can be 1 from solutions, 1 from electrochemistry and 3 from chemical kinetics, okay. This is the pattern given according to both the blueprints, okay. Next, coming to the next 4 questions, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, sorry 9. These 4 questions will be from inorganic, okay. So here also the pattern is not fixed. It can be either 2 plus 2 or it can be 1 plus 3. 2 from coordination, 2 from DNF block, or 1 from DNF block and 3 for coordination. That is there. Next we will have 10 to 20. 10 to 20. Here the pattern is fixed. This one will be from haloalkanes. This one will also be from haloalkanes. Next you will have alcohols 3 question. Okay. Then you will have aldehyde 2 questions. Okay. Then you will have amines 2 questions. Okay. And then you will have biomolecules 2 questions. This is fixed. Now coming to this is your part B. Okay. Part B will have 2 marker questions. Here again the pattern is not fixed. This question can either be from solution or from kinetics. This question can be DNF block or coordination. this question will be from haloalkanes, this question will be from alcohols, this question will be from biomolecules. This pattern is fixed. Now coming to this one, that is your part C, okay, where 3 marker questions are there. Here also the pattern is not fixed. It can be either one will be, so we know that 2 questions will be from DNF block, 2 questions will be from coordination. This one question extra can be from either DNF block or from coordination, okay, that is there. Next coming to the same part C, this question is this part C only, but here it is physical chemistry. Here question is fixed, 1 will be from solutions, 2 will be from electro, okay, and 1 will be from kinetics, okay. So I will be telling you the number of questions also you have to attempt. So here you will be attempting 3 out of 5, here also you will be attempting 3 out of 5, here you will be attempting 2 out of 4, right. So next coming to your part D, okay, where you will be having 5 marker questions. This pattern is also fixed, haloalkanes 1 question, alcohols 1 question, aldehyde 2 questions, okay, amines 1 question, and biomolecules 1 question, right. So here also you will be you have to attempt how many questions? You have to attempt 4 out of 6 questions, okay. Next, these are numericals. So question, that is your part E, right. Part E is numerical. Here we know this will be from solution, this will be from solution, this will be from electrochemistry, kinetics, right. So out of this you have to attempt any 3, right. So here you have to attempt 3 out of 6, okay. So this is the overall exam or question pattern that will be asked. Now I will be telling you how you can just select 6 chapters. Let me see. So this is clear, blueprint is clear, okay. Now coming to physical chemistry, okay. So I will be telling, I have analyzed all the blueprint. So if you do these 2 chapters, that is solutions and electrochemistry, okay, then you can easily score numerical problems, 3 marker, you can easily score 3 3s are 9 you will get here, okay. Next, if you do solutions and electrochemistry, the 3 marker theory questions are there, right. There you have to attempt any 2 questions. So there will be 1 from solution and 2 from electrochemistry. So you can attempt 2 questions there. So 2 into 3 you will get 6 marker here. Now since according to blueprint 1, the 2 marker question will be from chemical kinetics, and if you haven't studied chemical kinetics, this 2 marks you won't be getting. Next, there will be total 4 questions from MCQ, 1 will be from kinetics according to blueprint 1. So you will be getting 19 marks from physical chemistry if you do these 2 chapters. Similarly, if you do electrochemistry and kinetics, okay, these 2 chapters if you select, you will be getting 19 marks only. But if you select these 2 chapters, solutions and kinetics, okay, then numericals 9 marks you can get easily. Here this 6 marks is also fixed. And since I told you this 2 marker question, the theory question will be either from solution or from kinetics. So you can make sure that you can also attempt this 2 marker question, okay. Apart from that, you know there's total MCQ is 5 markers, okay. 4 marks is carried by these 2 chapters, 1 is from electrochemistry. So if you have done these 2 chapters, then you can easily get 4 marks here. So I'll tell you the combination, solutions plus electrochemistry, if you study 19 marks you will get, electrochemistry plus kinetics then 19 marks, solutions plus kinetics then you will get 21 marks according to blueprint 1, okay. Now for blueprint 2 and blueprint 3 also the same thing will apply. I have checked it, you can go and cross check, but if you do these combination, any blueprint pattern is followed in the exam, you can secure these many marks from that particular chapter, okay. So my advice will be, if you are doing, so you have to select any 2 chapters, most probably solution and kinetics. And I also find that students generally feel electrochemistry a bit difficult, okay, because of its equations, so many reactions are, so many formulas are there, generally it is more confusing. So I will recommend you can go easily solutions and kinetics question, chapter. But yes, again that is free, you can use any 2 combination out of these 3, okay. So what is the thing? Study any 2 for physical chemistry, okay. Clear? Now moving towards the inorganic chemistry, here there is no nothing much confusion because you have 2 chapters, okay. So according to, just if you follow blueprint 1, okay, so if you follow blueprint 1, then you will be getting there in the 3 marker sections, right, there will be 5 questions you will be able to attend. If you study DNF block, you will be able to attend 2 questions. So you will get 6 marks here. Why? Because here there in according to blueprint 1 there is 2 questions from DNF block and 3 questions from coordination, right. So if you have studied only DNF block, so you will be able to attempt this 2 marker question. So that is, this is I am talking about which part? This is about part C, right, 3 marker questions. So that gives you 6 marks here. Next I told you according to blueprint 1 in the part B there will be 1 question from DNF block. So you will be able to attempt that 2 marker question as well. So 6 and here 2, that is giving you 8 marks. And in MCQ there will be 2 questions from DNF block, that also you can attempt, so that will give you another 2 marks. So total 10 marks you can get if you are studying DNF block. But at the same time, if you are not choosing DNF block and if you are studying coordination compounds, according to blueprint 1, this part C coordination will have 3 questions from coordination. So you can attempt all this. So 3 3s are 9, you will get 9 marks here. The 2 marker question is from DNF block, so you cannot attempt that, so here you will get 0 mark, and 2 MCQs you can attempt, so you will get 11 marks if you study coordination. Okay, and the similar pattern is observed in blueprint 2 also and blueprint 3 also. So I will definitely suggest you that go for coordination compounds. If you are studying any one chapter, you have to select coordination compounds, okay. And comparatively I feel coordination compounds are easier because here more reactions are there, here it is easier, okay. So but again you have to study any one, okay, any one, but my recommendation will be coordination, okay. But again if you find DNF block easy, go for DNF block. Clear? So how much marks we have got? Either 10 or 11 will be securing, right. And if we study physical chemistry, we will be getting either 19, any combination 19 to 21, here I will get 10 to 11 marks, okay. Now let us go to organic chemistry. So organic chemistry is very simple, I will be telling you the combinations here. So if you study haloalkanes, okay, haloalkanes, alcohols and aldehydes, then in the part A, that in the MCQ part, you can easily score 2 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, here 2 marks, here 3 marks, here 2 marks, okay. Next if you go to part 2, that is your 2 marker question. So there will be 1 question from alcohols and 1 question from haloalkanes, right. But see, this is like this, if you see part B, it is like this, 1 question will be from solution or kinetics, 2nd question will be from DNF block or coordination, 3rd question will be from haloalkanes, 4th question will be from alcohols, and 5th question will be from your which one, that is biomolecules, right. So these 2 also already you have attempted. This is part B where you have to attempt 3 out of 5, right. So these 2 you have already attempted, you have these 2 you have to attempt any one, so you can attempt this question also, right. So in that you will be getting easily 2 marks you can get here. Now there is no 3 marker question in organic chemistry, there is, now here we have 5 mark questions, right, 5 marker questions are there. So in that you will be haloalkanes, you will be getting 1 question, alcohols you will be getting 1 questions, and aldehydes and ketones 2 questions, right. So what is the total mark you are getting here? 2 5s are 10, right, here here 5 and here 5, that is 20 marks you are getting here, and here you are getting 2 marks, right. So 20 is here, so let me just add it up for you. So 1 second, so 2 3 4, each question carries 2 marks, so this is 20 marks here, 2 marks here, and 3 4 5 6 7 marks here, right. So 27 and 2, 29 marks you can get if you just study these 3 topics, okay. But if you are studying the other 3 topics like aldehydes, amines and biomolecules, if you are studying these 3 topics, then how much mark you can get? See, aldehydes there will be 2 MCQs, amines 2 MCQs, biomolecules 2 MCQs. So total you are getting here how much mark? 6 marks, okay, if you are studying these combination, these 3, okay. Next 2 marker question, 1 will be from biomolecules, so you have to attempt that, you will get 2 marks. But if you choose, see, if you take haloalkanes and alcohols, that combination, you can choose any one of this. If you do not know haloalkanes questions, you might be knowing alcohols question. But if you have taken biomolecules, then you have to study that perfectly, and there is no other options for you because you haven't studied these 2 chapters, right. That will be an advantage. So 2 markers you will get here if you have studied biomolecules correctly. Then here you have 1 5 marker question, here 1 5 marker question, here 1 5 marker question. So this will give you again 20 marks. So 26, 7, 28, 20 marks you will be getting, Okay. So what are the marks we have seen? See, physical chemistry, if you just study 2 chapters, you can get 19 marks, either 21 marks based on your combination. Inorganic chemistry, if you study 1 chapter, okay, 1 second, yeah, if you just study 1 chapter, you get 10 marks to 11 marks. Next, if you study organic, okay, any 3 chapters, so that 3 chapters has to be 1 aldehydes and ketones. So these are the combinations. You have to study either these 3, okay, or these 3, okay. So here I am not giving you option, you have to choose either these 3 haloalkanes, alcohols and aldehydes, or you have to choose aldehydes, amines and biomolecules, okay. So if you choose these 3 or these 3, then you can get either 28 or 29 marks. Now if we check this one, if you add, it is 9, 10, 11, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, you are getting 61, and if you take this one, you will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 57 marks, okay. So 60 plus marks you can get here by just selecting 6 chapters, okay. So this summary I have given you. Again you can see chemical kinetics, and this one if you study solutions, that is the best combination I will prefer, you will get 21 marks, you can get 21 marks here, and if you study coordination you will get 11 marks, and if you study haloalkanes, alcohols and aldehydes, you will be getting 29 marks, and that will account to around 60 plus or 61 marks. Now, so out of 6 chapters you have studied, okay. Now if you just add one more chapter, okay, so I will just select a very small chapter, that is amines, okay. So if you just study one more chapter amines, you leave biomolecules, you leave DNF block, you leave electrochemistry, if you just do one chapter amines, that will give you another 7 marks, okay. It can give you 7 marks. So you have got 61 plus 7, that is your 68, or if you have taken the other combinations and if you have got like 57 and plus this 7, that is your 64. Okay. So 60 plus marks is very easy to score, right, because you can see the paper pattern is in this way. So that's all, and now I will tell you how to complete this 6 chapters, okay. So if you have done the concepts, okay, if you are very confident about the concepts, that is fine, but if you have not done with the concepts and if you need our help, you can go to our channel and you can use, for concept we have 60 out of 60 Diksha chemistry, there is a series, okay, 60 out of 60 in chemistry, KCET chemistry in 200 days, please watch that series. Organic chemistry especially you must watch, we have explained in detail all the reaction mechanisms and all have done, so you can watch that, okay. Next, for question practice, definitely you have to go for our Brahmastra series, especially in chemistry. I will tell you, I have picked up each and every question that is possible. So that 6 chapters which you are doing, okay, 6 chapters you see all the questions from Brahmastra series, that will be done. After that, what we need, after doing question practice, we need the last finishing, like some, because we know MCQs can be little tougher. So to tackle that, you have to go for decode NCERT, okay. So that will help you to get good marks in your 1 mark, like you know the 5 marker questions are like 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 2 plus 1, like that, there 1 marker questions can be asked, right. So for tackling those type of questions, once you should go for decode NCERT as well, okay. And MCQs, most of you miss marks, so you do not have, we have already launched our Chakraview series, so there we will be getting 30-40 MCQs per chapter, okay. And lastly, if you want to write any test, we have our PU2 Success Blueprint test series, so you can take that test, it is paid, definitely these all are free, but this is paid, okay. So if you can take that test series and write the test, and then you can see by studying this just 6 chapters, are you able to get 60 plus or not, okay. So I will be recommending for those students who have not started any preparation, just focus on these 6 chapters. Those students who have done halfway, so you try for going 7 chapters so that you can safely get that 64, 67 marks very easily, right. So yes students, that's all in this video, and I really hope that it would have helped you. You would have understood how to work smart and still you can get good marks. So always remember, you can score high by just studying less, okay. That's all, and if you have liked this video, please comment down your combinations, okay. I want all of your students to comment here that which combination you have chosen from physical, inorganic and organic, okay, so that I can tell you, like you can predict how many marks you will be getting, okay. That's all students, and see you soon in the next episode.